Sermon number 158. Holy Prophet, and Holy Quran. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Allah deputed the Prophet at a time when there had been no prophets for some time. People had been in slumber for a long time and the twist of the rope had loosened. The Prophet came with a book containing testification to what books were already there and also with a light to be followed. It is the Quran. If you ask it to speak, it won't do so, but I will tell you about it. Know that it contains knowledge of what is to come about, stories of the past, cure for your ills and regulation for whatever faces you. The autocracy of the Umayyads. At that time there will remain no house or tent, but oppressors would inflict it with grief and inject sickness in it. On that day no one in the sky will listen to their excuse and no one on the earth will come to their help. You selected for the governance, caliphate, one who is not fit for it, and you raised him to a position which was not meant for him. Shortly Allah will take revenge from everyone who has oppressed, food for food and drink for drink, namely, they will be given colocynth for eating, myrrh and aloes for drinking, and fear for an inner and the sword for an outer covering. They are nothing but carrier beasts laden with sins and camels laden with evil deeds. I swear and again swear that the Umayyads will have to spit out the caliphate as phlegm is spat, and thereafter they will never taste it nor relish its flavor so long as day and night rotate.